So you're looking to hire internationally, you've seen the name Deel pop up, and you're trying to decide if it's worth using and what the catches are. Well, in today's video, we're going to cover what Deel does and how it helps with hiring and payroll, the key features that set Deel apart, and what to watch out for before signing up. And if at any point you want to check out Deel for yourself, I actually negotiated an exclusive free $500 when you use the link in the description below. This isn't something you're going to find anywhere else because transparently what I did is I told them, hey, instead of giving me the $500, what if you just gave it to the people watching my videos? So you're welcome, and let's get into it. So diving right into things, what is Deel? Well, Deel is a global hiring, payroll, and HR platform that helps businesses hire employees or contractors in over 150 countries without setting up local entities like an LLC or an S Corp. It's going to handle things like country-specific compliance and employment contracts, global payroll in over 120 countries, tax reporting as well as benefits, onboarding and payments for contractors, as well as US payroll and HR workflows. Diving into some of the key features of Deel, you've got global payroll and employer of record. So this allows you to hire full-time employees legally in over 150 countries, where Deel essentially serves as the legal employer so that you don't have to set up an entity in that country. This can be a big issue for you if you do want to hire employees abroad, because typically you have to have an actual entity in that country. So Deel's going to handle the taxes, the contracts, the benefits, so that you can just handle paying the person. They also offer contractor management, so you can hire and pay global contractors with compliant contracts, tax documents. It's really important that, whether you're hiring somebody full-time or as a contractor, you are doing it by the books, because you don't want to end up in any legal hot water by not doing that. So contractors are then able to withdraw the payments that you make to them in over 150 different currencies, where Deel is going to handle the invoicing, the onboarding, and the compliance paperwork, so that, again, you just give them money, they do the work, Deel handles the rest. Then also, if you're hiring employees in the US, Deel is going to help you with US payroll and PEO. So you can run payroll for those US-based employees, and then you have the option to add PEO support at $95 per employee per month for different benefits and compliance. On top of that, Deel also offers a host of free HR tools. So they have essentially a built-in HR system for employees with up to 200 team members that you can use completely for free if you're already in the Deel ecosystem. So you can use this for things like onboarding, document collection, workflows, time off tracking, all in one spot, and there's no extra cost for that HR functionality. In addition, you're able to automate a bunch of your compliance and documentation tasks. So all employment and contractor agreements are pre-vetted for local compliance. Again, very important that everything is by the books in the locality that you're doing business in. And then Deel is actually going to handle any misclassification risk, tax reporting, labor law updates. They're going to automatically generate new contracts, collect signatures, store things for your records, and again, just make sure that you're not getting yourself into any legal trouble. Then all of that is going to integrate and report directly into accounting platforms like QuickBooks, Xero, NetSuite, as well as connecting directly into your HR tools like Bamboo HR or whatever ATS system you happen to use. From there, built-in dashboards are going to let you track your payroll, your team size, your costs, your compliance status to make sure that any red or yellow flags are surfaced immediately. So now that you know what Deel is, let's talk about how much it costs. Well, if you're just hiring contractors, then there is a contractor's plan, which comes in at $49 per month per contractor. On this plan, you're going to be able to hire and pay global contractors with compliant contracts, tax forms, payments in over 150 different currencies. It's going to include your invoicing, your onboarding, and your compliance support. Then, if you're hiring US employees, that's going to run you $95 per month per employee for their US PEO plan. This is going to include full service US payroll bundled with benefits administration as well as compliance management. So Deel is going to act as a co-employer alongside you, handling things like tax filing, benefits, labor law compliance, all in one spot. Now, if you just wanted to run US-based payroll, that's going to come in at $19 per month per employee. So this is essentially a standalone payroll service for US-based employees, including your tax filing, your direct deposit, your reporting, without those bundled HR benefits and tools. Now, if you're looking at global employees outside of the US, this is where things can start to get a little bit more expensive. So in order to hire a global employee with Deel, it's going to run you $599 per employee per month to serve as the employer of record. So Deel becomes the legal employer in over 150 countries. They're handling the contracts, the payroll, the benefits, the taxes, full compliance, so that you don't need that local entity. Now, while that can sound somewhat expensive, the cost of going to another country, setting up an entity there, managing that entity, that can very quickly become cost prohibitive, especially for a smaller company that just wants to, say, hire a couple of employees out of a different country. And oftentimes, the salary arbitrage, if you will, of what you can pay for talent in another country versus the US can be quite substantial. And so $600 per month in cost that you're paying for Deel could end up being significantly less than what you're saving by hiring abroad versus hiring somebody in, say, the US. Now, similarly to the US payroll-only plan, they also offer a global payroll-only plan, which comes in at $29 per month per employee, so quite a bit less expensive. So if you already have a local entity set up, for example, but you want Deel to run compliant payroll, handle taxes, manage payouts, that's where the $29 per month plan would come into play. And again, with all of these, you're getting free access to Deel's HR tools for up to 200 team members, including things like onboarding, time off tracking, document collection, e-signatures, org charts, workflow automations. And so there's no extra cost to these if you're using Deel for payroll or as the employer of record. Now, quick note on support and security, which are some pretty important things you're going to want to be thinking about here. Deel offers 24/7 customer support via both chat and email. So if you have a question, you can get it answered quickly. They are going to be SOC 2, ISO, and GDPR compliant. To be honest, I don't even know what most of those things mean, but they sound important and they sound like things that you could get sued if you didn't have set up properly. And then on top of that, they've got strong data encryption, access controls to make sure that your information remains yours. So let's talk a bit about who Deel is actually going to be best for. Well, if you're a startup or a small team looking to hire a couple of people internationally, absolutely a great fit. If you are a remote-first company scaling fast across borders into multiple different countries, could be a great fit. If you're a mid-sized business managing mixed teams of contractors and employees, or really if you're just anyone looking to consolidate payroll, HR, compliance into a single platform and have the flexibility to hire anyone in any part of the world, these are areas where Deel is going to help make your life a lot easier. However, a couple of things you need to know. First, Deel's employer of record pricing is definitely on the higher end, but that's because it's turnkey, it's fast to launch, and it takes care of everything in one spot very easily. Another thing to note, in some countries, Deel is going to be relying on local partners to fulfill services. So there could be slight variations in your experience depending on which countries you hire people in. Additionally, because the platform is so feature rich, building out custom workflows and approvals might require a little bit of time up front to configure depending on how complex your company is. Now, how does Deel actually compare to other options on the market? Well, Rippling would probably be the closest comparison, but Rippling focuses more on US-based all-in-one HR and IT. So Deel is going to be a lot stronger if you're hiring internationally or you need that global payroll setup. So boiling things down here, if you're building or managing a global team, Deel is going to simplify one of the hardest parts for you, which is staying compliant while paying people in different countries. There's just so many things that go into this, and there's so many areas where you open yourself up to legal exposure, because if one thing goes wrong with one employee and you end up getting sued, that's just a complete nightmare. So by handling the contracts, the payroll, the taxes, the onboarding in a way that's clean, it's scalable, it's legally sound, it's going to work for you whether you're hiring one employee or hundreds of employees. And so if you do want to try it out for yourself, again, got that exclusive deal with Deel in the description below, where you can get a free $500 to use towards any of Deel's services when you do sign up with that link and book a call to chat with the folks at Deel. So feel free to click on that link and check it out if you are ready to do so. If you have any questions, feel free to drop those in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.